You've probably heard people talk about market cap in crypto, especially when they mention how big Bitcoin is or how fast an altcoin is growing. But what does market cap actually mean, and why do investors pay so much attention to it? In this video, we'll break down what cryptocurrency market cap is, why it matters, and how you can use it to make smarter investing decisions. Let's get started. Market cap, or market capitalization, is simply the total value of a cryptocurrency in circulation. It's calculated with a simple formula: market cap is equal to the price times circulating supply. For example, if one Bitcoin is worth $60,000 and there are about 19 million Bitcoins in circulation, that equals roughly $1.14 trillion in market cap. This number gives you a quick idea of how large or valuable a crypto project is compared to others. It's similar to how we value companies in the stock market. It's not just about the price of one share, but about the total value of the entire network. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is focusing only on a coin's price. A token that costs $1 might seem cheap, but that doesn't tell you much. What really matters is the total value of all those tokens, in other words, the market cap. For example, a $1 coin with 1 billion tokens in circulation actually has a market cap of $1 billion, which could make it larger than another coin priced at hundreds or even thousands per token. Understanding this helps you compare coins more accurately and spot which projects truly have room to grow. Market cap isn't just a number, it's also a guide for how you can build a balanced crypto portfolio. Large cap coins can serve as your stable foundation. Mid-cap coins add growth potential. And small cap coins are your high-risk, high-reward plays. By blending all three, you balance stability, growth, and opportunity, giving your portfolio both strength and flexibility. While market cap is a useful metric, it doesn't tell the full story. It doesn't reflect trading volume, developer activity, or whether the project actually solves real-world problems. That's why smart investors use market cap alongside other factors, like fundamentals, token supply, and utility to get the full picture before investing. Market cap gives you perspective, but research gives you confidence. And that's a wrap. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to Coinmama, and check out our channel for more simple, beginner-friendly crypto explainers.